I feel most alive whenever I'm here. It feels home, yung Hongdae. Before you get famous, at least you're walking with us in Hongdae. Looking for our accommodation. We're back in our turf, yung mga guest house and hostels. We don't need 5-star hotels to really enjoy our trips. Hello, thank you.
Why did you start it? YouTube.
YouTube. Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? Annyeonghaseyo, here from South Korea at Incheon International Airport. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Tapos ang accommodation natin ay nasa Hongdae. Meron dalawang klase ng AREX. Yung AREX Airport Railway Express, or yun yung mabilis na train papuntang Seoul City mismo, yung mismong city center. So yung start talaga ng AREX ay Incheon International Airport 2. Tapos ngayon nasa Incheon International Airport 1 tayo. Yung kinukuha natin ay yung all-stop train para mag-i-stop siya sa Hongik University. Kasi kapag yung express train tayo, sa Seoul Station yung stop natin. Yun yung dulo Seoul Station. So kapag nasa Hongdae kayo, Hongik University Station. Let's go! Select station, Hongik. Tapos 1. Select number fare. Okay, nasa 5,001. And then select number of passenger and insert cash. Yes. So, at mag-insert ng cash. Insert bill here. Pasok tayo ng 10,000. 10,001. It's already here. Tapos nasuklian na tayo. Okay, thank you. Oh, ito yung ticket natin. All-stop train. Oh, it's here. We're gonna enter here. Yung express guys ay nandoon. Non-stop yan. So ang stop talaga niyan ay Seoul Station. Doon sa Hongik, pero hindi magsa-stop sa Hongik. So kapag Hongik kayo nag-i-stay guys, better kayo mag Hongik University Station na stop. We should run because...
You have to run to have a place.
Alright. Because we have a lot of luggage, right?
Yeah, we have a lot of luggage.
So we have to run.
So we have to take 3 seats together.
Okay. Yeah. I'll ready myself.
So it's not together, it's just
yeah.
6.
My Koreans are debak. Omo. 어떡해. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요. How many minutes is this usually? 1 hour.
Minutes? 1 hour.
Because it's all stop.
Yeah, it's all
Okay.
stop.
You're not rushing. Because you'll be in a cafe, okay?
No, it's okay.
1:40 or 1:45 tayo nakaalis sa Incheon Terminal Station. Incheon Terminal 1. And then tingnan natin what time tayo darating sa Hongik University Station. Grabe punuan guys. So actually around ito na Hongik University ng next stop. So dito tayo bababa. Around 50 to 55 minutes yung travel ng all stop. Pero kapag express yung dire-diretso, Seoul yung stop nyo. Pero mas mabilis. Pero syempre, sasakay ulit kayo ng transfer pabalik ng Hongik. So dapat yung all stop yung sakyan ninyo, okay? Yung blue. Riding the AREX, it's very convenient. Go. Let's go. Stop. Nasa 188 pesos yung from Incheon International Airport to here, Hongik University Station. Ito yung favorite kong pagstayan talaga ng accommodation kasi may direct line papuntang airport, diba? Alright. I'll just search which exit. Yes, finally here. Diana, I'll just follow you, okay? Because I don't know where to go. Nakakalito, kahit ilang beses na tayo nagpunta dito sa Hongdae, nakakalito pa rin talaga saan tayo lalabas. Pero may mga direction naman. Kailangan nyo lang i-search yung destination ninyo. Perfecto. Lalabas naman kung anong exit kayo dapat mag-exit. Alright? Search sa Google or Naver Map para alam nyo kung saan yung direction ninyo. Kasi maraming exit. You should be able to exit sa right exit. Let's go. Ang habang lakaran, no? We made it to Hongdae. I just love the vibe of Hongdae. And lagi talaga natin tong ina-Arix yung Hongdae. If not late night bus, may late night bus din kasi sa gabi, pero yung stop nun ay Seoul Station, tapos tinataksin na lang natin dito. Pero if yung dating natin ay may araw pa, or may Arix pa, ina-Arix natin. Back in my favorite place, Hongdae. This is the first time na solo trip tayo. Wala tayong kasamang friends from the Philippines. We have our friends from the fam trip of Korea Tourism Organization na 10 days. Until today lang talaga siya. Umuwi ng iba today. Extend ako lang ilang araw dito sa Seoul. It's Saturday and it's full of people. Galing pa tayong Incheon Airport, guys. Last hotel natin, guys, the 5-star hotel. Sharing. From Grand Hyatt, super lapit na lang sa airport. Kaya nag-Arix tayo. Oma! Okay. I'm tired. I'm tired. Ganito ang struggle looking for... Serious?
You can do it.
Yeah, I can do it.
You can do it?
Of course. I can do it. Let's go. Sama natin si Diana ngayon. From Mexico. I will miss you. Is it good? You're perfecto. So this is the struggle looking for the hotel. You will appear in my vlog. Is it okay?
Huh?
The Filipinos love Koreans. So you should be an actor. What's your name?
I'm Sihong Lee.
Sihon Lee?
Yeah.
Sihon Lee. Yeah, you're an oppa. So the Filipinos will love you. Sihon Lee. Before you get famous, at least you're walking with us in Hongdae. Looking for our accommodation. We're with the famous one. We're with a Mexican celebrity right now.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, you're famous. You're famous, Diana. Thursday party, we went here. I don't know, in Busan. The Thursday party in Busan. Yes. Yung accommodation talaga natin nandito sa Hongdae. Same. Grabe. Pinagdaanan natin. First day of our solo trip. Dito sa Hongdae. I miss the VIP life. Mr. So, where are you? Fetch us. I miss the VIP life. No, just kidding. This is our original life. Like walking. That was not my life. Like being a VIP. This is us. Ito tayo, guys. Ito po tayo. So, I was able to rest and then I woke up feeling sipangs. Ayan, may separation anxiety tayo because imagine, it's been 10 days with our creator friends from all over the world. And then now, mag-isa na lang tayo because I've extended my stay until next week. Yun. And see, the change of lifestyle. We're back in our turf. Yung mga guest house and hostels. Diba? From 5-star hotels, being treated like very nicely, parang mga VIP. But yeah, it's okay because I also feel comfortable din naman sa mga hostel and guest house. Like, we don't need 5-star hotels to really enjoy our trips. Kasi ang purpose lang naman ng accommodation for me is just for me to sleep. And nice because we're in the heart of Hongdae, my favorite place in Korea. Diba? So ayun, we will still explore. This is not the end of our Korea trip, guys. We'll explore alone. This is the first time that I'll be in Korea, like, alone. Alright? So, yun. Kita-kita tayo, guys. Like, marami pa ako din na po-post. Tapos yung mga vlogs, pag-uwi ko na lang because I'm trying to savor every moment while I am here. Kasi pag nag-edit ako ng vlog, feeling ko nawawala sa akin yung moment na I'm in Korea. Ayun. So, yeah. Ngayong nasa room ako, I think nakapag-rest na ako, lalabas tayo and see the vibrant Hongdae. Yun, from Korea. Guys, look. Ang ganda lang location natin. Paglabas natin, it's Hongdae! Diba? Ang vibrant. First time ko sa area na to ng Hongdae magstay. Yung heart talaga ng Hongdae ay it's there. Puntahan natin. Ah, ang nice. Is it rainbow? Wait, picture natin. My gay heart is happy. Ang taray, kumikinang-kinang siya. Wait, let's take a photo of this. Oh, I love it. Whoa. Diba, ang ganda, ang nice. Kaya gusto ko guys yung Hongdae kasi ang daming cool stuff dito na pwedeng makita. Alam niyo yun? Bagets na bagets yung lugar. I feel very much alive when I am here. Nakaka-youthful siya. Actually, in our fifth time na natin to sa Korea. Tapos, fifth time, first time natin sa Myeongdong. Tapos, yung first time natin makapag-Korea, Myeongdong. Tapos, nung first time natin makapunta sa Hongdae, it was in our first Korea trip. Mas ramdam ko yung Hongdae. I felt na this place is for me. Kaya now, on our fifth time, Hongdae ulit tayo. So, 4 times out of 5 na Korea trip natin, nasa Hongdae tayo. And yeah, it's nice to be back. It's nice to be back. Kasi first time natin, 5 years ago. Diba? Tapos this year, first time na nag-Korea tayo 2 times. 2 times in 1 year. So, thank you, Korea Tourism Organization. Nakabalik tayo. So, it's a spring experience. Pinagtitinginan ako ng tao. Pero, I think less conscious ako kapag naka-DJI. Kasi maliit lang siya. Versus dati kasi iPhone lang ako. Hello. Ito ngayon, okay lang. Parang mas kausap ko lang kayo. Yun, yung DJI. Anyway, nasaan na ako? Nalito ako kasi tinignan ako ni Kuya. Wait. Kalimutan ko sasabihin ko. Pero thank you ba KTO? Salamat. Yeah, thank you KTO. Basta di ko sure kung yung sasabihin ko ha, pero itong pumasok agad sa utak ko. Thank you KTO kasi ayun, experience natin yung autumn this year and then spring. Well, hindi naman yun ng KTO yung spring natin. Pero I'm just thankful na we experienced both spring and autumn. Wait, lakad muna tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo my favorite area in Korea, Hongdae. Ala, ang ganda. Wait lang, ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Nakakaloka. Wait, layo pa tayo. Let's walk. This will be our home for how many nights? Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday. Mali. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday for 4 nights. Yes. Let's go. Ang lamig na, guys. It's autumn season, my favorite season on earth. Let's walk. Kayo, guys, nakapag-Korea na ba kayo? Ano yung favorite yung season? Alam, feeling ko kailangan ko na mag-lip balm. Malamig na. Kasi pag hindi tayo naka-lip balm, mag-crack yung ano natin, yung lips natin. And then gloves. My gosh, ako nakapag-bisbit ng gloves. Pero grabe. May ibang naka-t-shirt. Siyempre, mga Korean sila. May mga basking! And kung guys, hindi pa kayo nagko-Korea, anong season yung gusto nyong puntahan? Ang gusto nyong ma-experience? Let's go. Perfect! Ooh. Oh! Right again. May basking. This is what I love about Hongdae. You don't understand. Wow. Kinikilig ako. Ang ganda. Saturday night. It's just nice. Ganda ng boses. Hongdae, I love you. Sarap magpaka-K-drama moment dito. Gusto ko mag-Facebook live. Gusto kong dalhin dito yung friends natin from the Kuripot Traveler page. Now, anong title ng song na to? Ang ganda, pang K-drama. Ballad. Parang mali yung kanina. Hello. Di na-recognize yung song. No song found? Ano ba yan? Cute. Cute guys, mag-Halloween na pala. They're so cute. Hello, thank you. 감사합니다. Cute. Cute. Nabigyan pa tayo ng ano, ng candy. Cute. 감사합니다, kids. O, diba? Ang saya dito sa Hongdae. I love. Daming nangyayari. Squid Game. So, in Hongdae, meron ditong mga norebang. Norebang is karaoke sa kanila. Mga photo booth. And maraming kainan. So, ang dami. Dami pwede gawin dito. I just love. Oh, thank you. You're so cute. Pasalubong ulit natin sila. Okay, tumanggap tayo ng candy, ng lollipop. Okay na yon. It's in your head, in your head, so big. Dinig. Oh my gosh. Ay, so labong din. Nakakatuwa. Ito naman. I think may norebang sa taas or arcade, mga games. Nandito rin yung mga opa guys sa Hongdae. Yung mga opa na nasa 20s ganun. Cute. Yung binigay na candy sa atin ng kids. Bro. Dami diba? Nagkalat. Ang mga shops sa Hongdae. May shop sa mga burloloys, jewelry. Naging photo booth. Kung nakapag-Korea na kayo guys, o diba dami kong tanong, ano yung area na kung saan kayo nag-stay if ever you've been to Korea na? Tapos, if hindi pa, ano yung area na gusto yung pag-stayan? Meron din sikat din yung Myeongdong. Pero sabi ng tour guide natin, Myeongdong is very, very touristy. Hindi natin kung basahin, hindi yung kaya. Wah, ang lamig. Ang lamig. I think manghuhula to. Fortune teller. Di ko lang sure ya. Pero feels like. May mga ganito din, mga damit-damit. Kano to? 29,000 won. 15,000 won. Magkano ba yung 15,000 won? So, nasa 600 pesos yan. Kaya? More lakad. Sa dami ng tanong kakabanggaan na dito. 10,000 won, mga 400 pesos yan. Ayan. Ito yung mga type kong damit. Ayan. Opa! Lijuno. Malapit na tayo sa Main Street, guys. As in, kung saan marami talagang nagbabasking, mga sumasayaw-sayaw, kumakanta. Grabe yung tao. Hindi ko sure kung para saan sila. Pero ngayon lang ulit ako nakita ng ganito karaming tao sa Hongdae. Yes, ayun lang ulit. Ganito karaming tao sa Hongdae. Ay, ito na. This is my favorite side of Hongdae. my favorite side of Hongdae. Ay, parang mas tahimik dito kaysa doon sa kabila, no? Kung saan malapit yung accommodation natin. Silipin natin. Ito grupo din. Nice. Wow. Mag-isa lang siya guys dito sa part na to. Dati marami talaga, like may designated areas talaga for performance. Yung mga sumasayaw, as in marami. Like pipili ka lang kung anong papanoorin mo. Pero this time, isa lang siya, nakita ko sa area na to. Bakit kaya? Ano tong Mono Mansion? Dami talagang tao, nakakalula. And the leaves, again, they're starting to change their colors. Ah, another opa. Lidongwook. Parang mas bet ko sa area natin. Yung malapit sa accommodation natin. Hindi naman siya tahimik, pero tahimik versus I expected. Kasi dati talaga, pag nagpupunta tayo ng Hongdae, dito talaga yung maraming ganap. Pero ngayon, nasa doon, papunta doon. Malapit sa Mama and Papa Guest House. Yun yung pangalan ng guest house natin guys, Mama, Papa. Marami ding kainan, as usual. Nakakamiss. Yung accommodation natin ni Elaine before. Elaine is my friend. Dito dati. Diyan papasok. Sa daan na to. Yes. I just miss. Ito, famous to M Playground. Kung gusto yung mga damit-damit. Ayarn. Pero parang medyo mahal pa siya for me. Wala. Medyo tahimik sa area na to. Balik tayo doon sa area natin, our turf. Nakapula, kunwari nakasil. Siya rin. As a traveler, I wish na sana magkaroon ng device na parang ikakabit na lang siya sa utak ko. I mean dito. Or tama, kahit dito ikakabit, tapos matik na lang magtra-translate yung mga bagay-bagay, for example, from Korean to English or to Tagalog. Alam mo yun, tapos yung prices, matik na makikita yung equivalent, for example, from Korean won to pesos kapag titingin ako ng price. Para hindi na tayo nagsa-search pa sa phone. Ang taray naman dito, may mga pa-camera. Mga live streamer ata to. This is why I love Hongdae. Oh, welcome to Hongdae. Oh my gosh. Goosebumps. I love Hongdae so much. Everyone singing. Hospital playlist OST. Wow. That was so nice. Hospital playlist OST yun, diba? Na 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 na. Da 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 da. Anong title nun? Anong title nun? Ang ganda nung song. Ay. This is why I love Hongdae so much. Wild, fatal yung pagmamahal ko sa Hongdae. Like Hongdae over Myeongdong, over Itaewon, really Hongdae. Buti na timing tayo sa song na yon kasi isa yon sa mga favorite Korean song ko. Though hindi ko maalala yung title. Pero alam mo yung pag naririnig ko, parang I think nasa film din siya na The Classic ni Son Ye-jin. It's a very classic song. Now naman, nasa may party area tayo ng Hongdae Club Street. My friend Diana brought me this one. Matcha mochi. Strawberry. Talgi. Wait. Mochi. So good. Nandito naman tayo sa Hongik Park. So it's a park. Wala ganong tao. So kung gusto niyo yung chill, breather, it's here, Hongik Park. Guess my age. You're asking me how old I am. You feel I am older?
Just a little bit.
Ooh.
Like 29.
You're almost there.
Really?
Yeah.
30. 28?
Yes.
Oh,
really? Kensa na yo.
Why did you start it
YouTube. I just felt like it's nice to document my experiences. I have something to look back to. Like for example now, I'm 28 now. Time flew really fast. At least there's something that I can look back to and something that I can reshare when I get old. When my channel got bigger, I received comments such as they got entertained and it's very helpful to them. They feel as if they travel with me. So I just continued it. But I have a full-time job, okay? I'm not a full-time content creator. And I don't think I can do that.
I'm just curious.
Curious.
That's why I asked you.
Why we want to be YouTuber. It's nice and it also pays. Like, it pays. Like, I get to earn some money from it. Aside from my full-time job. So I think in this economy, we should look for something that we can earn aside from our full-time job. I am able to travel from my earnings from YouTube. So I don't spend anything from my actual salary. Anyway, I shared too much. My earnings from YouTube, from content creation, I use it to travel.
Wow, that's amazing.
You're amazing too. You're amazing too, you know. I love the vibe here.
It's really like
Reply 1988 OST.
here is always ajushis, like weird ajushis drinking. There's
Here?
always, yeah, here, always. And the foreigners who foreigners.
Naka-live tayo sa Facebook from Seoul, South Korea. Diba? It's just nice to be in Hongdae. Like, whew, this place is heaven to me. OA yarn, but true. Salamat po sa mga nanonood. Nakikita ko ngayon yung mga pangalan ninyo, so appear kayo sa vlog. Ang dami kong backlog na vlog. Kasi we really tried our best na i-savor lang yung moment dito sa Korea. Oh my God, ang saya. Wow. I love Hongdae. Favorite part of the day ko talaga itong busking natin today. Ang ganda ng songs. Nakaka-jives lahat. Rockstar na rockstar eh. Minsan pang K-drama pa yung tugtugan.
오아시스의 Don't Look Back이라는 그런 노래고 오아시스 노래 좋아하세요?
Gosh, di ko kaya yung mga tugtugan dito. Saya.
Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna swim back to you. By now, you believe that anyone is the way I do about you now. And all the love we have to one can't wind it. 'Cause baby, you're gonna be the one
That saves me. Lamig, wow.
and after all.
Dito naman pamagik ang atake.
Zombie,
Grabe,
zombie, zombie, touching, let's go!
We are the champions, my friend.
And we keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers. So big boys playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. And on your face, the big piece grace, kicking your pen all over the place. Hey!
We will rock you.
We will rock you. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind in place. Got to Mama. 손을 크게! Hey, 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 hey! Oh yeah. 숨가쁘게 살아가는 순간 속에도 우린 서로 이렇게 아쉬워하는 건 내가 사랑한 그 모든 것을 다 잃는다 해도 그날은 포기할 수
Sikat talaga tong song na to dito sa Korea, guys. It's iconic. Narinig natin to sa Reply 1988. Yeah. Wow.
그대에게 있습니다. 우리
Saya.
뭐였지? 이퀄 메들리였나?
감사합니다. Gracias. Diana tweeted us. You've been appearing in my vlog, but I haven't introduced you. Yong.
형.
Yong.
형.
Our Korean friend. Yong.
시형.
Sihyoung.
형.
Sihyoung. Sihyoung.
It sounds different.
It sounds different.
He?
He. Onk. Yonk. Yong. Yong. There's a lot of people because Saturday. Thursday party. Really cold, guys. Grabe. So after natin mag-basking-basking, hindi ko na na-introduce. Nagpa-party na tayo ngayon. Ganito ang buhay sa Hongdae. Basking, party, alright, shopping, food trip. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. This is the area that never sleeps. Next, bar. Love. I just love Waikiki. Yeah. Lots of bars and clubs. Paglabas nyo lang, amoy yosi kayo kasi ang dami nag-yosi sa loob. Sana hindi talaga mga moy yung ating damit. Sorry?
Mga moy?
Mga moy. I hope my jacket won't smell tomorrow.
It's gonna smell.
Yeah, it's gonna smell. This is Hongdae. It really doesn't sleep. Like everywhere, you can find bars and clubs. Like wow. Nagutom ako, guys. So 2 pizza for us. At 12 midnight, pizza tayo. Ito daw ang best pizza, sabi ni Diana. Alauna na, guys. And nandito tayo ngayon pa rin sa Hongdae. Grabe, medyo pagod na tayo, diba? Mula sa panonood ng basking, paglalakad around, tapos pagpa-party dito sa Hongdae. So sa likod natin, yan na yung accommodation natin. Again, ang daming pwedeng magawa dito sa Hongdae. I just feel alive whenever I am here. I feel most alive whenever I am here. It feels home, yung Hongdae. So yeah, I cannot wait to spend more time here. This will just be a relaxed trip, okay? So guys, this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!